On chemical management, I know that when I was on the other side of the table, I was working with the Germans so that we can come out with a chemical waste management rule. In fact, a chemical management rule, and I just heard this morning that it is yet to be finalized. I think it's very, very, very important that the garment sectors have nationally endorsed chemical handling and management rules, and I must say that my ministry is committed to support you. Since we have a draft in hand, let us finalize it as soon as we can. Now, Bangladesh garments industry, which is always in the competition and has been facing the challenges, is also known for cheap labor. I think this is something that should go from the dictionary of the business. Labor should not be cheap. When we talk about sustainability, I think it has to be a shared responsibility. A shared responsibility of those who produce and the shared responsibility of those who actually consume it. If there is a call for sustainability on the producers, there has to be some degree of support that would also come to them. Creating a pressure for decent pay to the laborers has to be taken as a shared responsibility. So, if we always want cheap products, we can't expect the laborers to be paid well. So I think in terms of, both for sustainable environmental management and for socially responsible business, the producers here in Bangladesh and those who are taking our products have to come together, and they have to have arrangements for cost sharing. Otherwise, for the middle range business and the small businesses, it will be an extra pressure which will not be sustainable. So I sincerely hope that the importers and exporters both will come together, will work on what should be called sustainability and what are the sustainable practices that we want to see in the textile sector. And we should also define the responsibility of each of the players, and we must ensure that we are not overburdening one of the actors while the other actor continues to get cheap products. If it is cheap, it will not be sustainable. For it to be sustainable, it has to be a fair play. I just hope that the Bangladeshi businessmen take the opportunity of the presence of 18 business houses with whom they have been engaging for many years. I hope we manage to get more orders this time, and we manage to really ensure that people who work for these textile factories continue to earn a livelihood that will be better, that will really give them a decent living and will not treat them as cheap labor.